In this video, I'm going to show you how to add featured posts to your company page. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage, or what's otherwise known as the newsfeed. And here on the left-hand side, under your profile, you will see your company page. So go to your company page. Then here on the menu on the left-hand side, you select Edit Page. And on this menu on the left, you select Featured. And then you select Manage Featured. You can then add a post by clicking on the plus and going through the posts you have to decide which ones you want to add. You can add a maximum of 3, and you can then also order them. And if I then view this page as a member, you can then see what that featured section looks like, which is this over here. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos on this playlist for more functionality on LinkedIn.